I'm going to show you how to use computer properties. I'm opening a new Xcode project. I'm going to jump the main view controller, and also we define that variables like that. For example, it will be a cliche example. And make it integer. Oh. Yeah, for example, that matter. Or maybe we can do it double. In computer properties, also you see that if you're trying to read the value of the diameter, the get method gives you the radius multiplied by 2, and also it is computed in every time. It works like a wrapper, and also the main objective is changing the radius and reading radius like that. The computed properties also encapsulates the real variable, because you also protect that from the reaching from anywhere, and also you stands a barrier in front of the radius, because you don't want to change the radius not looking to diameter. Also, the main objective is preventing the value without looking the other wrapper. If you want to set the radius and also doing it in diameter via linked example radius new value divided by 2. You see that. Also, if we start with a 5.0, okay, we'll look at it. Don't need to simulator. Also, just need the breakpoints. It's running too slow because of the updates. Yes. For example, if I want to print diameter, or yeah, you see it can stand, because I don't want to make them unrelated. The radius relates with the diameter, diameter relates with the radius, and also I don't want to change it within undirectedly. Also directly change the one parameter, and the other parameters changes naturally because of the relation of the radius and the diameters. And also the diameter, as I mentioned before, computes in every time. If I want to set the diameter, for example, if I want to print radius, You see that, and radius changed to 6. If I want to print diameter again, you see that it's 12. And there's a relation on the encapsulation of the variables. And you can use also computed properties for relating variables, and also you can intercept within the set method. You can make a lot of chains and trigger events when it's set, and also when it gets. You can change types, whatever you want. Thanks for watching.